A miniature weaving loom is a small, portable frame used to weave small textile items like patches for mending, decorative pieces, or even ornaments. These compact tools are designed for quick, on-the-go projects and often come in various shapes. They are suitable for beginners, providing an accessible way to learn weaving techniques by using a needle or finger to pass the weft thread over and under the warp threads held under tension on the loom. Purpose and uses: mending. Mini weaving looms are excellent for repairing holes in knitwear, like sweaters and socks, by creating a woven patch to cover the damage. Decorative projects. They can be used to create small, decorative woven pieces that can be turned into ornaments, badges, or other decor. Craft projects. The compact size makes them perfect for various creative projects, allowing users to explore different patterns and textures. Types and designs. Frame looms. These are simple frames that hold warp threads under tension, with some designs featuring hooks or elastic bands to manage alternate threads. Pin looms, another compact design. These looms have pins or nails on a frame that help hold the warp yarns in place. DIY options. Users can even create their own mini looms using simple materials such as a matchbox. Key features: compact size. Their small dimensions make them easy to carry and work on from anywhere. Simplicity. The process of using a mini loom is straightforward, making it perfect for learning the basics of weaving. Versatility. Despite their size, they can be used to create various patterns and textures, allowing for creative expression.